All right, guys, we are live. That's good. Feels back to be back. Uh, Sorry for not uh, uh, doing a live stream for the past 2 days. Essentially, I didn't go live uh, because the way I saw the market, I didn't see any value added to to going live. Pretty much everyone, the market was pretty much selling off, and as of right now, I do like uh, to take positions when the market is trending up. So that goes with the topic of this video, which is I ended up green and the week, and I only took one position, just one, and that was today. Uh, I did miss on two other positions that I could have taken profits from, but that's okay. Green is green, and I didn't want to take those positions because I didn't feel the market. I didn't feel that the positions will hold uh, till the next day at least. So even though they were strong throughout the day, uh, I didn't think that they were gonna hold on to the next day. So uh, and yeah, that was it. So I decided not to take any positions till today. I saw the opportunity, and but I had in mind to take losses if the trade went uh, would have gone against me. So with that being said, let me start sharing the screen so that uh, can just go over my trade for today. I'm still on the position. I haven't closed the position yet. So this is HRB. I want to talk about HRB later, but this is the 5-minute chart. So I guess we can go talk because I've been talking about HRB for a while now. So yeah, I took. I already talked about this trade. I took this trade. It did great. I took some profits. Then it sold off, and this is one of the positions that I missed in this week. I saw that it validated this support at what is that 25.29, more or less. and I wanted to get in this day, but I didn't do it because the long wick on this candle above. I usually like to go take my position for swing trading, just if it breaks the next day. And looking at that, it didn't break it. Just the high for this was 26.10, and the high for this was 26.05. So it didn't break. So I was never gonna get into that position. So and today it just sold off. So that was good. The other position that I thought of taking, I didn't, was Pandora. It had news, so that was throwing me off a little because news tend to make big moves, and then you don't know what's going to happen. So I saw this candle here. I saw that it validated that support here, and I thought of getting in the next day. But again, same thing happened. Same type of candle. I saw that it was pushing back by the end of the day. The high on that candle is 9.49, and the day after it was 9.45. So again, I was not gonna get in. I was not gonna go in. I would have gotten in today, and I would still be holding on to the position, which appears to be strong. Looking at the MACD appears to be strong. So, Yes, I could have time my position better using the 5 minute chart, but I haven't practiced that yet in the paper trading, so I don't want to risk it. I'm sticking with the 1 day, 1 minute, and doing my limit orders, which I'm gonna make a video later on why I use limit orders and uh, how I find them useful for swing traders and people that are busy. So, but what is my position for today? Oh, UDR. So UDR, excuse me. Come on. UDR. There it is. Okay. UDR, so we can see it's going up. So that's a good. I like that's going up. But then it had a minor pullback. Had a pullback. And yesterday, that's the candle that I saw yesterday. It's and you guys might say, yeah, it's the same kind of candle. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah. So I'd say, well, I'm gonna go for it. I'm just gonna go for it. And I'm gonna cut losses right below the candle. If it breaks below the candle, I'm out. I mean, I was wrong, and I should have just waited. But I mean, when you look at this candle, you see what happened today. So the trade went in my favor. So yeah. So I saw this level of 39.73. I saw that it was it held above that level, the body of the candle. It broke it. So, but again, I looking at that, I'm seeing how this is a huge red candle with a low of 39.59, and then the green candle is 39.60. So it barely made it. Now, why do I see value in this? Okay, so I saw the value in it because the MACD is showing signs of weakness, and it was very oversold. I saw this, and I see that it was very oversold. So the fact that it was oversold and that it didn't make a new low. So this time I said it right. It didn't make a lower low. So I said, okay, so I'm just gonna wait, and I'm gonna try to avoid all this noise. I'm gonna try to avoid all this noise, which to me, this is, all these EMAs, they can act as resistance. You can see how it was being rejected here. It was being rejected here again. So I wanted to break these EMA lines, and when it did, I got in. So now it's going for this next level, so I'm gonna keep an eye on it, and then I have to keep an eye on the market, because the market, guys, is just this week hasn't been good. As far as see how it's down. Yesterday I thought of going live because I saw potential on the market, just because this is a higher low. But again, look at the body of the candle is so small compared to that wick on top. It's just, and today is the same. Today we still have today we had a lower low compared to the day before. So, but again, it's holding on to this to this support, which is good. So yeah, gotta keep an eye on that for Monday. See how the international markets look in the morning, and see UDR, if I'm gonna cover profits on UDR or just let it play. So yes, this was my only trade for the week, but I was patient. I was patient enough to find a trade that would actually be worth it. And I'll tell you guys, if this candle would have never broken these EMAs, I don't think I would have gotten in, because I wanted to be like so obvious that it was gonna go up. And if we look at the 5-minute chart, this is the 5-minute chart for today, right? You see how it actually, we had a low, and then it just stayed between that range. I wanted it to break this 4004 level, and it was playing with it. It broke it, but it kept going back. So my entry was around here. I wanted to break this level of 4004. So my entry was somewhere around here. Yeah, what is that? 40, yeah, somewhere around, yeah, 4016, somewhere around that range. Because I wanted to make sure that it would break it. And after it broke it, yeah, it pulled back a little, but it never went below that level. And after that, it just kept going up, which is good. So like I said, now we gotta watch it on Monday. And then I have a lot of stocks that I need to break on Monday for you guys, and hopefully we'll find a couple of good ones. And if the market it's just in our favor, we can just profit from it. So these are the features. This is the 5-minute chart. Let's look at the daily. These are the features, and they ended up, it's still red, but they push up. So the shape of the candle is actually one that I like. I like kind of when they start pushing up, because I like to go long on my positions. But this is gonna be a tough level to break, guys. I mean, this is all-time high, so I don't know. Well, with that being said, that's how I was able to. Let's just go back here. Boom. Yeah. So that's how I was able to stay green on the week. Just being patient, waiting for the right trade, and because what I was doing, guys, I have my log of all my trades that I done, and they will I think that 9 out of 10 I've been green on most of them, but some of them were loser trades, and the reason for that is because I bought at the wrong time, or I wasn't patient enough, or I cut my losses, and then the market went up, and I would have been green. So it's not timing the market, it's just some timing the market is just not an easy thing to do, but it's just trying to find good trades that put yourself in a position where the trade can actually go the way you plan. So, and being patient, which is a lot easier said than done. When I saw HRD and Pandora going up, especially today, I saw Pandora going up like crazy in the morning. I said, well, I could have taken that position, but I didn't. So I'm working on not just when something like that happens. I mean, you feel like you're missing out. You feel FOMO. When getting better at, okay, it happened, just let it go and keep going. Focus on your next trade. Or if I have a trade like the one that I'm currently at, I just gotta focus on that trade and manage that trade to the best of my abilities. Don't think about the money. Just think about managing that trade, and that's something, another video that I want to make is about more of the psychology behind trading. Just a little thing that I have learned based on my experience, and I think it will be very helpful for you guys. Anyways, with that, thanks for watching. Appreciate the support. Please give it a thumbs up if you like the video. If you want me to cover a little bit of how I trade or what technical indicators are used, just comment down below and I'll do my best to make a video for that. With that being said, let's try to stay green. God bless and have a great weekend.